Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today, January 1st, 2025, right now 4 pm. After we visited Labuan in Pangasinan, we are going back to our home. On the way in Nueva Ecija province, we need to make one more stop. The place called Colosboa Hills. It was a beautiful place nearby Cuyapo. It is approximately 2 km away from the main road. On the gravel road at a time there is only one four-wheeler can go. On the other side, if you encounter one more four-wheeler, it is little bit difficult to cross over, but it is manageable. The only problem is right now it's very cloudy day. It looks little bit darker than usual. I'm worrying about my video quality and the drone footage. When I reached this place, I was totally surprised. So many locals came here to visit the place today. That was a really very good thing. Right now the time is 4:20. We are here at the ranch. It is a beautiful viewpoint, at the same time camping place. Yeah, it's a video, yeah. It is a video, yeah. You want a photo? Okay. You have a small pond over here, like a river. It was a really very big and beautiful ranch. You need to come a little bit early to explore all the places in this ranch. It's a beautiful place. I don't know. We have a registration. So how much per person?
145 the entrance.
So many people. Come. So you like it? Wow, you have a pond. Beautiful. Looks so nice. It is a beautiful place. Looks like a small lake over here. My guess, I came very late. Right now it's 4:20 because the sunlight very less right now. Very cloudy. Look at that.
Hi!
This is all from Naglabragan people.
Santa Veronica! Biryani!
It's more fun in the Philippines! That is sure, no doubt about it. Okay, thank you. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make
is a beautiful place, but our part is we came here 4:20. That is very late. You need to be here at least 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Then only you can enjoy the whole place. It is almost like around 1 mile long. On this side I have 1 mile. Have a lot of place to visit. So look like a very big ranch. So you'll have a good time if you come with the family. Seriously nice. People over here very friendly. Hello. How about you? That's all very simple. Okay. They are very nice people. Have a nice picnic over here. Everybody very friendly. It's a nice place. Only thing is I came late, and right now it's like a 5 o'clock. It's very dark. Today is not a very good sunset, so you cannot see the sunset today. Very cloudy. At the same time, no lighting also. Since like this, I need to come one more time. Probably the day will be a little bit early. At the same time, the climate will be nice. It will be nice for the drone shot and video logging. They're here. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Going back. Thank you. Too bad it was a cloudy day. I couldn't get the perfect sunset. 6 p.m. in the evening they will close this place. I thought I was late, but people still keep on coming in. I couldn't believe it. This place is very busy. Busier than any viewpoint or any attraction I see in Philippines. Seriously busy. I highly recommend for everyone, come and enjoy this place. It's really beautiful. Yeah, we are going out. Shasha, you like it? Take the local transport to enhance your travel experience. That's going to be mind-blowing. Sonia's sister and mother leaving right now. Bye-bye.
Bye!
Bye-bye.
Oh, bye-bye!
Bye-bye.